shadows, I said, son.
Easy, little one. Fluids are going just fine. You're doing great.
And where there's light, there is shadow too. You must learn to play with your shadows. And if you do, then the world will play with you.
You got it. Hold on.
And the child
Stand
said,
strong. Look at
Dad, I am so scared. And I said, son, you're not alone. And he said, I wanna go home. And I said, you are home. And he said,